Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very gorgeous key holder with the decoupage technique, and there are loads of techniques I have added today on this wooden plank. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need basic tools which are quilling strips, liquid glue, quilling tool, wooden embellishment, paintbrush, Mod Podge glue, any kind of chalk paint, decoupage paper and keychain holder wooden plank. So first I am just tearing the excess paper using the wet brush. Now I am separating two layers from this paper. This is a 3-ply paper. So we need to remove two simple papers. Now I am taking this wooden plank and applying the base coat using white gesso. This is from Little Birdie. So this is fully covered and completely dried. Now I am applying Mod Podge glue on this, spreading it using my brush, and then I will add my decoupage paper. Use your fingers and don't add full paper completely. Add it slowly and spread it using your fingers so that you will get a wrinkle-free pattern. Now I am just doing some shading using white chalk paint and blue color so that the decoupage part and the rest of the area will look like a single panel. Like this. Also I'm using my small brush for little detailing. So this is dry. Now I'm cutting my excess decoupage paper using this sand knife. Now coloring the edges also using the same chalk paint. Like this. Now I am taking my stencil which is from iCraft and using this leafing size Mont Morte glue, I will apply little on top of the stencil. Use dry and soft brush to apply the glue. I'm randomly adding the pattern here and there. Allow it to dry for some time. Now I'm taking this golden leaf. This is very delicate, so you have to handle it very carefully. Apply it on top of the portion which you have covered with glue. Now using this soft and dry brush, just remove the excess gold leaf and you will get the beautiful pattern. Like this. Isn't it looking pretty? In the same way, I will do the same process on rest of the area. Now I'm taking my another stencil which is from Little Birdie and using the red color acrylic shade, I am applying it using stencil brush here and there to balance the colors. Like this. Now I am adding again decoupage glue on whole surface to seal my work completely. So this is dried. Now I'm adding this crochet lace in the bottom. And adding one jute twine on the top. So the base is ready. Now to decorate this, I am making some my favorite quilling flowers. For the first petal, I am taking ordinary pen and one strip of sea blue color and wrapping it around the pen and making a ring teardrop. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and making one pointed teardrop shape. Like this. Now I am taking one piece of paper. The outer diameter is 4 and inner diameter is 2 cm. Now first I am cutting the inner circle like this. Add little glue and make a cone type of shape. And start adding these ring teardrops around the ring. So this is done. Allow it to dry for some time. Till that I am making white flower and adding half cut pearl in the center. Now I have created some red color pointed teardrop shape just like we did for the white. I have used half strip to make this red shape. Now I am just twisting my cone in opposite direction so that your ring teardrop will go on outer layer. Now for inner layer I am adding these red pointed teardrops. And in the center I am adding white color flower. So the big flower is ready. Now for the next flower I am taking half strip of sea blue color and 1/4 strip of white color and making Malaysian flower petal. Now I am joining all 7 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. Like this. Now I will show you how to create scrolls. For this I am taking 2 1/4 strip of light green color and 2 1/4 strip of off-white color, gathering it together. Fold this whole bunch from the center and twisting it using my tweezer. cut the excess strip and secure the ends. So scrolls are ready. Now I am just adding some J hooks in the bottom before decorating it. These hooks are easily available in any craft store or any hardware store. Just make a hole and tighten this in the bottom. Now you can easily add your keychains. I have colored this dream wooden sentiment using golden acrylic color. I am applying little glue on backside of this and adding my sentiment in the center. Now I will decorate using my quilling shapes. So the beautiful wooden plank decoupage key holder with loads of techniques is ready. I'm sure you will try this very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.